Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. After 5 minutes of pain in the legs and fatigue, there is no trace left. Legs are very important for our life. Often we forget to take care of their health. But they contribute to the health of various parts of the body. If you stand or walk wrong, it can cause or aggravate pain in the knee, back and neck. See how to get rid of leg pain and alleviate back pain, eliminate fatigue and improve blood circulation, using these simple but very effective tips. 6 exercises that will help you feel much better. 1. Work out the legs, squeezing your fingers. Stand up straight and bend your knee slightly. Then bend your fingers resting against the floor, stay in that position for 3 seconds. Do 10 repetitions. It is recommended to apply this exercise 3 times a day. This is to improve the circulation of the feet and feet. 2. Walk on tiptoe for 20 seconds. Walking with your fingers will help strengthen the muscles of your legs, as well as ligaments and muscles. After you have completed this exercise, rest for 15 seconds and repeat this exercise 5 times or more. 3. If you have an ankle stiffness, back pain, hip and knee, it is recommended to do this exercise. Lay down on your side on the floor and lift one leg over her head, so that you can hold your ankle with your hands. Now, do a circular motion clockwise 10 times. Change your legs and make 3 sets for each leg. 4. Standing, place the legs on the width of the shoulders, bend the knees and slightly bend the trunk at an angle of 45 degrees relative to the ground. Raise the heels and stay in this position for 20 seconds. Return to the starting position, relax and repeat this movement 2 more times. 5. Hold the pencil with your toes. Take the pencil from the floor with your fingers, and lift your leg up. Hold this position for 10 seconds and release the pencil. Do this 5 times with each leg. 6. Roll the tennis ball. In the sitting or standing position, as you like, put a foot on the ball and roll it in different directions for at least 5-7 minutes. This exercise perfectly massages the feet and relieves pain in the foot, legs, back and improves blood circulation. All exercises are very simple and very effective. You will feel the results after the first session. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.